Welcome to Let's Music Talk. Today, I'm going to show you a little lighting trick. You can go to Walmart and get this $5 goose light, some tissue paper I have here, and some packaging tape. You're going to take this tissue paper and pick whatever color you'd like. My suggestion is use the darker the colors, the more vibrant it's going to be to bounce off the wall or the poster that you want to have it on. Just take and you can fold it down. It's usually 3x3 to a 4x4. And then you just take and you place it right here over top of your goose lamp. You use some tape. You want to pull it as tight as you can to the lamp. Here is actually one that I already had made. And I also have one here that I've done in pink. See, you can even bounce it off me. Here is the final product that I have done. Here's the blue, and here is the pink. Have a great day.